Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'll be showing how you can remove the disk recovery from your PC. Be guiding how you can remove this appearance of this disk recovery here. We will not be deleting it, but we will be hiding it. I'll show you how you can hide so that we can only view the storage that we are using. Only the disks, local disk C and other partitions that will be visible. We're going to hide this disk. This disk is used for recovery options. So as you go here and you right click within your PC, show more option, and you go to the manage section, you will see that this is a recovery partition. So go to disk management, and if you see this partition here, this is the partition that I'm talking about, the Hell recovery partition. We want to hide this partition from appearing to our memory here. We want to remove it from appearing here. So I'll show you how you can remove this. So just come on the search bar and type cmd command prompt. You can right click and run as administrator, or you can also run here as administrator. So go ahead and run it. So then here you will type this command. So I'll show you how this command. You type this command. So you will type disk part. Then within the disk part, list the disks that are within your PC. So list disk. So should be list disk, sorry, I mistype. Should be list, not list. Should be list. So should be list that way. So as you can see, this is the disk, that this is your main disk that contain 256 GB. So the 12 GB is used for system, so the available is 238. So it depends on your side the disk size. So select the disk 0. So go ahead and select this disk, select the disk 0, this disk 0 here, select. Now disk 0 is now selected. I want now to list partition to see how many partition you have partition your disk. So list partition. So you can see how your disk is being partitioned. Have the system, we have the reserved one which is 16 GB, we have the primary one which is 138. This is the local disk C. We have the recovery, this is what we are targeting. This recovery is around 1 GB of disk size. And then we have the partition 5, this is the disk D on my part here. If we check here, this is the local disk D around 138. We have this C, and then we have this one. So the local disk is the primary one, the other one local disk D is this one. So and the one that you are talking about, the recovery, is around 1 GB, 0.99 GB is around 1 GB. This is the targeted disk that we want to hide it from appearing at this section. So we'll go ahead and select this. So select that partition, select that partition, it's partition 4. Be very keen to select, ensure you select this one. So select that partition. Now the partition is now selected. The next thing you want to do, you want to remove that letter. As you can see here, ensure that your disk is labeled. So you can see mine is labeled new volume F. So this is the letter. So you'll specify this letter. You want to remove this, so you'll specify the letter, the disk name. So come here and say remove letter F in capital and click enter. Now as you can see, it has gone. So the disk part successfully remove the drive letter or mount point. Now you can exit. That way. So you are now exit and we are now good to go. So let's go here and check. And we check on our PC is now gone. So this is how you can remove this, but it's still existing within your PC. We have just hide it. So if we get back here and check on disk management, this recovery disk is here, but we have just removed it from appearing on our disk. So this is how you can remove that recovery disk from your PC. So that was all for today. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.